The front door is usually the first thing that protects your home. But what is your second line of defense? Introducing Surveillance NVR System HM241 by Heimvision. Easy to install security cameras are made for your safety and convenience. Whether they're placed in the doorway, the yard, the garage, or the living room, they can all be displayed on your phone at the same time. With 1080p Full HD resolution and digital noise reduction, Heimvision's HM241 allows you to see the details more clearly. The IP66 waterproof design enables the cameras to withstand rain and snow. Customize the detection zone to reduce false alarms and receive precise alerts. The 110-degree wide-angle lens lets you see your home with a wider view. No matter if it's day or night, Heimvision cameras protect your home in a clear and comfortable way. Heimvision's aim with the HM241 is to make your home more safe and more secure.
Today I'm going to set up the new Ring alarm, so let's see what we've got in the box. Here is the base station. Our instructions. Our keypad. our motion sensor, range extender, and our contact sensor. As always, we have everything we need in the box. Let's get started by setting up the base station. And plug into the base station here. Add a device, alarm, and then we're gonna press the pairing button. Okay, let's find my base station. All right, now we're connecting. All right, we're all set up. All right, so the Ring keypad has added itself automatically when you plug it in. Okay, we're gonna put this in the kitchen. I like the keypad on this table, but you can also mount it using these brackets here. But I'm going to take this off and put it up like that. The cool thing about the range extender is it will connect all of my devices to the base station, even though they may be far apart from each other. So let's get it added. Okay, we're gonna put this in the living room. All right, now we're gonna add the contact sensor. We need to pull the tab from the unit. It's now adding. Using the contact sensor install kit on our front door. Here's the tape on that one. Okay, we're gonna place this right here. Now I'm gonna match up the magnet to the sensor. Okay, now we're gonna set up the motion sensor by pulling the tab. All right, device is added, let's set it up. Okay, this is gonna be in the entryway. Okay, since we're gonna mount it in the corner, we need to put the tape on the sides here. Okay, now we're gonna mount here in the corner. All right, now we're all set. All right, now that our system's installed, I'm going to set the alarm and leave.